In this video, we're going to show you how to link the top-down, bottom-up Simplicity Honeycomb Shade remote to a shade. The remote control has 14 channels. Before linking the remote, determine which shades you want on which channel. All shades linked to a remote will also automatically be programmed to the All channel. You'll perform the shade linking operation before the shade is installed. Before we begin, let's do a quick overview of the information and buttons on the front of the remote. The channel display indicator is at the top. The up and down buttons allow you to control the direction of the rails, while the stop or favorites position allows you to stop the shade or to set a favorites position for your customer. The left arrow and right arrow buttons at the bottom of the remote have two different functions. The left arrow button allows you to select the rail that you're operating. 1 is for the middle rail, 2 is for the bottom rail, and 3 is to operate both rails together. The right arrow button is the channel selector. You'll use this button to scroll through the channels and arrive at the desired channel. The back of the remote contains the C or confirm button and the L or limit button. To get started with the linking process, select the channel that you'll want to link the shade to using the channel selector button. In this case, we'll select channel 1. To initiate the top-down bottom-up function for channel 1, we'll begin by pressing the rail selector and down buttons at the same time until a rail selector number shows up on the left side of the channel display. If channel 1 does not appear in the display, use the rail selector button to select rail number 1. There are two motors inside the headrail. The motor on the right has a setting button and will be used to link the shade to the remote. While the motor on the left has a hole, you'll notice there is not a button to depress. Press the setting button on the right motor until the motor starts to beep. Release the button immediately after the beeps start. The motor will make 4 fast beeps followed by 5 long beeps. Press the confirm button on the back of the remote anytime during the series of long beeps. It must be pressed before the last long beep. The motor will respond with 3 fast beeps confirming the shade has been linked. It is not recommended to put more than one shade on a channel. Repeat these steps to link remaining shades to the rest of the channels.